How about keto thin crust Hawaiian pizza? Oh, so good. Welcome to the Keto Baking Mechanic, where we create, tweak, and enhance keto and low-carb breads and baked goods, including authentic keto and low-carb sourdough. Hi, I'm Sherry Mack. You'll always get the recipe link in the description. Be sure to like the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so you can be informed when I have other videos coming down the pike. I know it's hard to believe that you could put the words keto and pineapple in the same sentence, let alone on the same pizza. But we're not doing keto strict today. We're talking about keto flexible. And we can have some pineapple in moderation on this pizza, this thin crust pizza, just enough to wet your whistle and let you know you're having a truly Hawaiian pizza with a thin crust and low carbs. We're going to add our pineapple. My husband and I went to Hawaii for our anniversary, and it was beautiful there. And we went to a restaurant and we ordered Hawaiian pizza. And we were so excited when the waitress came by to ask her, "Do you know where Hawaiian pizza was invented?" And she kind of seemed dumbfounded by that and said, "Hawaii?" And we went, "Nope. It wasn't invented in Hawaii. It was actually invented in the town where my husband was born and lived for many years, called Chatham, Ontario, Canada. It was invented in 1982 by a man by the name of Sam Panopoulos at the Satellite Restaurant. It became famous. It was one of the first sweet and savory pizzas that became available, and it just took off and went across North America. So we actually love it. And the key to this pizza in making it keto is to be very sparing with your pineapple, and we're going to do that. Okay, we're going to put the tortilla with the pan fried side up and add our low carb pizza sauce. It's pretty sturdy, so you can put a generous amount of the pizza sauce on. Just make sure it's low carb. Then we're going to add our shredded mozzarella. Be sure to count your carbs, and also remember this is flexible. Then we're going to add our chopped pineapple. There's 2 tablespoons of pineapple here. So I'm just going to put those around. Just enough to give you that pineapple flavor. Then I'm going to add some ham. Now this ham, just so you know, has no sulfites. It's all natural. This video is brought to you by Sinless Sourdough, where H&R meets low carb science. I'm the creator of Sinless Sourdough. I developed a line of keto, low carb, dehydrated sourdough starters that have been third-party independently tested for their authenticity. When you purchase a starter, you get a starter guide that teaches you how to bring your starter to life, as well as a whole bunch of sourdough discard recipes that I also feature on this channel. You can also invest in a membership if you'd like to take your keto sourdough journey further and learn more fermentation techniques and learn about 3 different styles of keto sourdough. It's all in the description in the Sinless Sourdough link. Okay, I switched it around. I put the ham on the cheese, and then I put the pineapple on top of the ham. Then we're going to add our tasty little jalapenos, which are going to nicely offset the sweetness in the pineapple. This is optional. This is not necessarily part of a traditional Hawaiian pizza from Chatham, Ontario, but it's going to add some beautiful flavor. There we go. Now we're going to take this back and put it back into the fry pan. Okay, I'm just going to add just a little bit of extra mozzarella on the top. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that pizza. Oh my goodness. An authentic Hawaiian pizza, keto style with a super thin crust. Now this is going to be delicious. We've got the ham. We've got the jalapeno that offsets the nice sweet pineapple in moderation. But I'm just going to add a little bit more heat and spice. Look at this baby.